This is as real as it gets, people. Today, I'm going to show you my realistic morning routine. This is how I wake up. I woke up like this. We slept in a little. It is a lazy Sunday morning. Just finished feeding the dogs. We have Yeppy here, Cujo here. Ewok already ate, huh? Are you done, Ewok? Are you ready to go outside? Huh? Yeah? And Ewok already finished eating. Good morning, world. Last night was really fun. Our friends came over to our house just to hang out. We ended up just staying in, having pizza and drinking here. Super chill. And then they surprised us, and our really good best friends got engaged, and we were just blown away. We've been waiting for this day, and we didn't know, but we knew it was happening this year, so that was super exciting. So if I look tired, it's because I had a couple margaritas. A couple usually means like 2 to 3, so maybe I shouldn't say couple. If I look fatigued, it's because I am. I'm also going to be very honest with you. The second I get up, I let the dogs go peeps. That's what I call peeps. And they come in, I feed them, and I have yet to brush my teeth. So good thing that we don't have smell-o-vision yet. And we are going to brush my chompers. Let's get on with the day. I'm smelling not bad, but a little ripe. It's definitely a shower day. I have the Oral-B Braun Rose Gold Spin Brush. And it's so funny because people always ask me in my videos, like, Lizzy, how are your teeth so white? Even my friend yesterday, I was FaceTiming with her. I'll put a little photo of what I look like when I FaceTime. Yeah, I was in Ewok. She's like, how do you get your teeth so white? And you know what I told her? I brush them. I mean, I have whitened my teeth with White with Style. That's like the whitening I have been using, but that was probably like about 6 months ago or so. I just used some good old crust, and I just put that on my brush, and that's about it. I have an eye crusty. Sorry about that. And I still have some lash glue in my eyes because I use the House of Lashes glue, and that never comes off. I remember that happening, and yeah, it hasn't changed, so I'm going to stick to Duo. So I am going to take off the sheets and everything because it is Sunday, and Sunday is usually the day where I wash our pillowcases, our sheets, and all that good stuff. Now I'll stick this downstairs in the laundry. Anybody have to go peeps? Yep. After they eat, probably like about 15 minutes after, they have to go out again. So we have our washer and dryer in the garage. After this, I don't like eat breakfast right away. I want to like get a shower and be fresh and all of that. So I'll take you back upstairs to my bathroom, and I'm gonna shower up because I also usually let my hair kind of air dry sometimes, or I just like getting my hair just done just so it can just dry. So by the time I start doing my makeup and stuff, it's already almost dry. But today's not a filming day. Sometimes I film on Sundays, but well, you guys know what I mean. Like, I'm filming, but I'm not doing like a sit down. I was gonna say I'm not filming today, but I actually am. This is a day in the normal. Hello, where's my nose? I can't smell. Normal morning routines. Welcome to my bathroom. I'm gonna go into the shower. My shampoo and conditioner I'm using is the Gliss Oil Nutritive Shampoo. I don't know if you can see that. I always bring it down so that the product's at the bottom. I'm almost done with it. I have a brand new conditioner. I can never level out like the same, you know, because you use more conditioner. Obviously you don't need the same amount of shampoo and conditioner, but anyhow, my hair is super long, so. But I wanted to say thank you so much for all the support, because you guys know I am a Gliss ambassador for this year, and it's been super exciting for me. You guys have been showing me so much love, and the constant DMs all the time showing me your coupon clippings and also my picture in Rite Aid. So thank you so much to my fine apples. You guys are honestly amazing, and it excites me that you guys get excited for my opportunity as well. With that, I have been seeing your comments and saying how you love the product, how you love how it's so affordable and all of that, and I have some tips and tricks for you for the ones who are loving the product but had a couple issues with it, and we'll totally touch base on that, and I'm going to show you what I do. But for the oil nutritive line, it is so good. Like, this is what keeps my hair frizz-free. That's why I'm able to air dry it. I don't really mess with heat like a lot. Even when I do style my hair still looks good even though I'm using heat, everyday damage. I will say I am not the best at brushing out my hair. I am pretty rough with it. And even just having it in this scrunchie and just Oh man, this camera's super heavy, but my hair is constantly getting ripped out. And I don't know, I probably need to be a little bit more careful, but whew, my hair it's dirty. It needs to get washed. Even with the constant damage that I may be doing, not necessarily heat, my hair still has been looking great. So again, this is the oil nutritive line right here. You'll have deep repair without weighing your hair down. It says up to 90% fewer split ends and touchably soft and shiny hair. There are other there are other lines as well, not only the oil nutritive, so you can test out those. I know they have a line also if you have color treated hair, etc. This line has been working out great for me, really moisturizing to the hair. It has the 8 beauty oils, so that's always great. Great to add just like the conditioning factor to your hair. The main thing about this product is that it has liquid keratin inside, so that's basically going to repair your hair from the inside out. So it's going to make your hair repair itself. It's not going to only make it look good, it's actually going to repair it. So you know how sometimes when some people style their hair and it looks so good, but then when it's dry you're like, whoa, it looks really damaged, and it only looks good when it's, you know, done up. This is going to actually repair your hair, and you're still going to be able to do all those curls and waves and all those things and crazy buns and stuff that you want to do. It says in the back that the liquid keratin reconstructs your hair and renews it by repairing damaged areas deep inside the hair and on its surface. So like I said, not just from the outside, it's going to be from the inside out. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in the shower. My body wash right here is Mango Mandarin. And then I've been trying out Origins, the grapefruit body wash, and I kind of just go back and forth. I like citrus scent, so that's what I like washing my body with. Okay, there we go. We have a small tripod set up for you guys. If it falls, don't worry, you won't see anything. And if anything does happen, I can edit myself out, and I have a towel. So I am one where I don't take like the longest showers. It's just not my thing. So I get in and out of the shower right away. Now I wanted to give you guys some tips and tricks dealing with the shampoo and conditioner. A lot of you said how much you love the line, but it ends up making your scalp oily. So this is what I do. I go ahead and I shampoo my hair like normal. And then what I do with the conditioner, just because I feel like it is just so moisturizing, I don't put it right at my roots. I go like a little bit down. So I start my conditioner all the way, and that will help alleviate oils. Another tip is that once I get out of the shower, I brush my hair out. This is the wet brush. This is amazing for taking out tangles. And I don't put my hair like in a bun and just leave it there to air dry, or else everything's right there. And I feel like that's what makes the scalp oily with like any product. And then my last tip is say that you don't want to put too much heat, or you don't want to put heat at all on your hair. I'll shampoo and condition like normal. Say that you do want to put the conditioner there, then go ahead. But what I do is I just take my blow dryer and I just blow dry my roots, just so that my hair isn't still wet and soaking everything up. And once I do that, then my roots are fine. Blow dry it just for like a couple minutes and that's it, but only my scalp. And then I just brush it out and it's perfect. So I don't have any issues, because I definitely wanted to make sure I gave you those tips and tricks, because I totally know what you guys are talking about. I've dealt with that before, and yeah, that's how I resolve that issue if that does happen to me. Also, I forgot to tell you, I accidentally washed my face, but I use the Origins Deep Zero Oil. Look, I'm like basically done. This stuff is amazing. But what I wanted to do was soak my eyes, because I feel like I still have that House of Lashes glue on my eyes. I ended up using it yesterday. It's just like a little baby sample. I forgot where I got this, but I got it from something, a lash kit or something. It works amazing, but the stuff will not come out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's still a little bit in my lashes. So over here I have a new cleanser, and I've been actually really enjoying it. I've just started using it this week. That's why it's not that low, but a little goes a long way. This is a charcoal cleansing micellar water. And this one is for oily skin. Place them on a cotton pad right there. And I'm just gonna soak my eye just to make sure that I get like the rest of the glue off, because you definitely don't want to leave that gunk there. So this stuff feels so fresh too. It's just so crazy how it's like black. It almost looks scary, like it might sting your eye, but it really isn't. It's just the charcoal. And charcoal is so good for detoxifying the skin as well. Don't worry, I'm being very gentle with my eye. Oh yeah, I definitely have residual. And I actually like it as a refresher, just like all over the face. I don't know, it gives you like this fresh sensation. But even though you have this fresh sensation, it doesn't burn your eyes if you think that. it won't. It's not like mint in your eyes, like, ah. Also, I totally get like this is a realistic morning routine, but if I were to do this like on my own, this would go so much faster. So if you feel like I'm just talking so much or like explaining things, trust me, I'm like done so quick with like my morning routine, like really quick. So now that I went ahead and did that and my face is nice and clean and fresh, I'm gonna go ahead and do my moisturizer. So my favorite moisturizer has been the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice right here. I've been loving it. I use this before my makeup. If I know I'm not gonna wear makeup, then I'll use my Essential C Daily Moisturizer, and this one has an SPF of 30 from Gerard. I love that stuff. I don't really put a lot of serums or anything before I do my makeup. I just go straight to moisturizer and an eye cream, and I'm good. So this is what it looks like. And you guys, the smell is so good. It's like fresh watermelon, not like the fake Jolly Rancher watermelon smell, even though I really love Jolly Rancher candies like watermelon. I haven't had those in so long though. The last time I like bit into one, I don't know, just because I was just going to town on it. And I honestly thought like I chipped my tooth. I was like, okay, let's just take a moment and let's spit it out to make sure you don't swallow a tooth, but I was okay. It was just, it's such a hard candy. I'll never do that ever again. What I like to do for my under eyes is use the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. This stuff is really nice. I don't think you can see it just because it's like white, but you literally just go like this and that's all you need. Like one little dab underneath the eye. I just pat that in. I bring it up to the orbital bone right here. Plus, I don't like to over moisturize this area. Like if I do, I'll do it nighttime, even though like just because you put more product doesn't mean, oh, it's gonna work more. I don't like putting a ton of product, especially before makeup, because then that's what can make your concealer like crease and get super cakey looking and not set, and it'll like go in fine lines. I'm not done. I like to use the Sun Bum Cocoa Balm, and this one is just like a mint flavor. It's called Ocean Mint, and it's been really good. I don't know, I like it just like as a normal balm. And then the best filling ever. Also forgot to show you my Pixie spray. This one is just the Vitamin Wake Up Mist. I like it just like as a refresher. Just really nice, and I think you guys can tell I love citrus, like hence my body washes. And this one has orange blossom and citrus extract. So just let that soak into the skin. Now I'll go downstairs because my stomach's probably about to grumble soon. We're in my kitchen, and this is kind of like our granola bread bar area. This is what I'll usually do, like if I just want something quick. Like we just have our Special K in here, and here we just have like a bunch of granola bars, like protein bars. And then we went to Costco, which is why we have so many of these, because you'll open this and that's all we have. We really like this one though. It's sweet and salty nut bar, or protein bars. Some of my favorite bars are the Kind bars too. This one is the caramel almond sea salt, one of my faves, and I also love the blueberry, vanilla, and cashew. Then here we just have like the rest of our stuff. Like we have the Dave's Killer Bread. It's really good. It's not too high in calorie and all of that. And we have our One bars that we really like, and also Quest bars. And yeah, just a bunch of bars, and then hamburger buns randomly, and bagels. Iced coffee in my mason jar. I actually got this on our trip to Maui, and it has a reusable straw, and it's perfect. Ice in my mason jar. Unsweetened Starbucks coffee right here. Just put that in there. I don't drink like a ton of coffee, but I'll just drink that much. I'll actually use this for like 2 weeks. I don't know. I try not to drink a lot of coffee, but today I feel like it. And then I have the sugar-free vanilla creamer, and I try not to make my coffee too sweet, even though this is sugar-free. And that's all I'll pour in, and I am all set. It's perfect because it just has like the little pinch of sweetness, and I don't know, I like it. So whenever I have my breakfast, I usually sit like at the table, or I just sit down with my dogs just because I like hanging out with them. I think it's like too bright. There we go. This is Ewok right here. Say hi. He's a miniature schnauzer. He's a saved dog. Mwah! Come here, Cujo. Come here, Cujo. This one is Cujo. One light eye, and then, aw, brothers. One light eye and like one hazel eye, and then he has like his own little couch. It's so funny. So we have this gray couch, but he has his own little couch so that he feels like he has his own. And then we have Yeppy. I don't know if she'll get up. And she's the girl, and she's just laying down. Look at her. She's so lazy. Yeppy. Yeppy, can you at least look at them? Aw, thank you. There she is. She's so cute. Aw. After this, like what I'll do is I'll kind of go through my YouTube. Since it's Sunday, I just uploaded a new video. And then, alright guys, well that is basically it for my realistic morning routine. This goes by super quick, obviously, when I'm not talking to you guys and explaining things, but yeah, it's super simple. Sundays is usually like my day where I organize and just, I'm really chill. If you guys are wondering where the heck Glenn is, he is out helping his mom with errands and stuff and driving her around to go to like the store and stuff and pick things up with her. And yeah, so it's just me and the dogs right now. And after this, I'll probably just end up cleaning my beauty room and our rooms and stuff. I basically just like prepare like the house and like my filming room for the upcoming week, just so it's like nice and clean and organized. And then usually by the end of the weekend, like Sundays, when I just repeat it again. I hope you guys enjoyed my realistic morning routine. It's nothing fancy. I don't go and like, I don't know if like you guys thought I'd do something like extravagant, but I'm super chill. I think you guys get that. Don't forget I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe because it is free, 99, and also click that bell. And I'll see you beautiful people in the next one. Mwah! Whoop, whoop.